I don't know what I'm doing. Today we are going to the beach.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's no
Hi guys, sorry we had to turn that off. We don't want to get copyrighted. Anyways, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're old here, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see from the title of this video, today we are going to the beach, and if you know me, you know that is my happy place. I'm so scared of the ocean, you guys. I'm very scared of big waters, even big pools. I can't, but the beach, let's go. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've not had time to really hang out with myself, and the beach is just like the perfect place. I was thinking of either going to the beach or a park, like have a little solo picnic, and we finally decided on the beach. I just finished making breakfast, so I'm going to eat and we'll see what next. My phone is dying, like I'm so scared. I charged it last night and it did not charge. The heartbreak. Anyways, I need to eat real quick, get ready, because I want to spend like the entire day there. It's almost 1 p.m. and I need to rush. I want to be there latest by 3 so I can do my stuff. I'll see you guys when I'm done and getting ready.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Genuinely, like I don't know.
Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby.
Hi guys, I think I'm ready, and this is the bag that I'm carrying. Let's do a little what's in my bag. I have my earbuds, very important. Sunglasses. I have this cute clips, flower clips. I have my perfume oil, a brush. I want to create content and do my makeup at the beach, so this. I have my first that should be pretty much it. The last thing that I'm going to take should be my chargers, but I'm currently charging my phone, so yeah.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room. Getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me.